everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name's Thomas if you're brand new, and I make style and hair related videos every single week. So if that's your kind of thing, make sure you hit the subscribe button and come back and visit me every single Monday. So in today's video, we're doing like a version 2.0 of a video that I have done previously, but it's different. The reason it's different, we're talking about taming flyaways and getting rid of the fuzzies. So Kim, this was kind of dangerous, giving me access to the close-up cam in here. I'm hoping today that the method that we're going to be using will help me get rid of my flyaways. A lot of you with man buns will probably relate to this as well. Having a man bun does get flyaway pieces and little stragglers like this that are really uncontrollable, and in the wind and just going out in general, they tend to fuzz up and they muck your whole hairdo, right? They suck. I hate them. They're gross, and you probably do as well. My previous video on how to tame man bun flyaways was, I think I posted it nearly a year ago now. It was a very big hit for you guys. You really liked it, and that's my method that I came up with myself on how to tame my flyaways. But recently I've been scrounging around on the internet looking for new ideas, and I came across this method of taming flyaways with a toothbrush. How cool is that? So apparently all you have to do is put your product onto the toothbrush and lightly comb it through your hair, I guess. Now, the video I saw was done with hairspray, and my experience with hairspray, I'm not really that happy with how hairspray makes my hair look. It does make it look very stiff. So on this side, we've kind of got, we're gonna test one side with hairspray, we're gonna test one side with Aunt Jackie's flaxseed gel and see how it goes. But I've never really tried this before, and I wanted to I just wanted to see if I could make it work, and if it works, then you guys can benefit from it as well. But yeah, that's essentially what we're doing. So flaxseed gel, it's like gel, but it doesn't make your hair look wet. It doesn't dry all stiff, and it's really good for slicking. So that's why I thought we would try it out. But then on the other hand, we have hairspray from Davro. So Davro are really great. They send me products all the time. Thanks, Andrew. And we're gonna test out this hairspray along with the toothbrushes, okay? I'm not really an expert in doing it with a toothbrush, so this is the first time for me, but if it works good, I encourage you to go and get another toothbrush and try this yourself. The way I saw it, you just spray the product onto the brush and then you comb it into your hair. I am gonna need a mirror for this. So let's get to it. No idea what we're freaking doing, but we'll try it anyway. So I'm gonna go a little bit of a spray on here, and I'm anticipating that the hairspray is gonna stiffen my hair a little bit. Oh my God. Look at that. That's an instantaneous result. A little bit more, a little bit more. Oi, it's actually good. Again though, you gotta be very careful not to use too much. You can already see that difference in this camera. Look at it. Ooh, I'm liking this. So easy too. Oh, it's already starting to stiffen, just like I thought. All right, there's the version with the hairspray. Oh my God. Actually, immaculate difference. Cool. We can see all these other fuzzies sticking out here. The real question is, how long does it last? I have a feeling the hairspray will probably outlast the flaxseed gel just because it's stiffer. And I can feel my hair stiffening up right now, but it doesn't look bad. It actually looks slicked back and nice. I'm impressed. Okay, how do you fucking do this? Blah, blah, blah. Chucking a toothbrush in my flaxseed gel. All right. Oh. This is a little bit harder to work with. This is like fully wetting my hair. Still got a similar effect though. Ooh, it's even slicker. I'm actually really digging that hairspray side, holy fuck. These side bits here though, they're probably something I would pin. Whoa. Hang on, I think I actually, ooh. I can't tell which one I like better. I actually think the flaxseed gel's doing a better job of getting all the hairs down. Like with this side, like it got predominantly most of them down, but it didn't quite get these ones right here, if you have a look. These ones still are a little bit fuzzy on the sides. It still looks slick, but probably a bit drier. And that's probably because the texture of this is a lot wetter and it doesn't dry as fast either. And the cool thing about flaxseed gel as well is when it does actually dry, it doesn't go crusty and gross like normal gels do. Oh, You guys can be the judge. So this is like freshly after I've just done it. I'm already seeing immaculate results like in the mirror here, but do a little before and after. So this is the hairspray side. This is the flaxseed gel side. The flaxseed gel side looks a little bit shinier right this second. But you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to wait about 10 minutes. And then I'm going to because in 10 minutes, both the products should be set. A verdict on what I think's better. But yeah, all right, cool. See you in 10 minutes.
11 minutes later.
All right, guys, so it's been 10 minutes and I have come back. I've just let all this product dry up nicely. So, in review, I think both of these worked really, really well with the toothbrush. I think probably I put a little bit too much flaxseed gel because on this side, as you can see, this side has quite a lot of shine to it. And it does still look a little bit wet with the gel there. But the point is, like, when the gel dries, it doesn't go stiff like normal gel makes your hair go. And then if we look on this side, we still have a bit of nice shine. The flyaways aren't completely deceased on this side. There is still like very minor little tiny ones that pop up. However, this is a more natural sort of look. It doesn't feel too stiff either, like I've sprayed a heap of hairspray on it. It's kind of just feels really light. So both of them were really, really good results. This one, the flaxseed gel, probably way more slicker. If you're going for a really slick, like suave look, I would probably use the flaxseed gel. But if you're going for just a more natural sort of like, what flyaways kind of look, the hairspray was also a really good option. And the ease of application with toothbrushes, who would have thought? They should make a hair toothbrush. Well, they do have a hairbrush, but like they should actually make these things for taming flyaways because it's a really big problem. Maybe I just gave myself my next $1 million idea. So yeah, both methods, in my opinion, are go ahead. I actually really like it. And to be honest, it's a little bit more simple than my previous way of taming flyaways. Like before, I was like straightening all the hair out. Then I was using like 3 different types of products to pin it all down, maybe even some bobby pins. But with this one, I've been walking around with it. It's dried up nicely. And I rate both of them. I am a little bit like, oh, I wonder what we could do with the back. I did try and get the toothbrush behind there, but I thought when I was doing it, I was like, it's probably not suitable while I'm sitting right here. I'd probably have to do it in the mirror and really tidy it up. But as for what's happened in the front here, I'm happy with both sides and would recommend, okay? So everybody go and buy a toothbrush. These were like $1 each from the bloody supermarket. And go and check out some flaxseed gel or some hairspray of your choice. I'll leave links to the ones that I use if you'd like to go and check them out. Okay, that's pretty much all I've got for you, and I'm really happy with this new method. I really like how my hair's looking. It's so slick and clean. I think I am leaning towards the hairspray side a little bit more, to be honest, just because it's more natural. All right, guys, thank you so much for coming back to watch. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next week for another one. All right, see you later.